Hi, I want to go over with you all how to email a teacher. These are the steps. First, include something in the subject line of your email. You can start with a 2 to 5 word summary of the subject of your email, such as missing grade, homework help, makeup work. Step 2, begin with a greeting in the body of the letter, such as good morning, hello, good afternoon, dear Mrs. Gallo. Step 3, write your letter and make sure that you add details. Good examples of a way to start would be, I am writing because. Are you available for extra help? I need help with. I am having trouble with. Step 4 is to make sure that you have a closing, such as, thank you, have a nice afternoon, thanks for the help, all the best. And lastly, step 5, make sure that you sign your name. So our 5 steps to an effective, proper way to email one of your teachers is to make sure that you have filled something out in the subject line of your email, begin with a greeting, write your letter and explain in detail what it is you need, include a closing, and make sure that you sign your name.